Hey, you got a minute?
Yeah, what's up?
So, about that dinner thing this weekend.
Oh, yeah, Saturday, right?
Yeah. I mean, that was the idea.
Cool. I was looking forward to it.
Yeah, I know. It sounded fun.
You okay? You sound a little tired.
Mm, yeah, just been a long week.
Tell me about it.
Work's been kinda nonstop, and then family stuff.
Yeah, that adds up fast.
So I'm just not totally sure how Saturday's gonna feel yet.
Got it.
I didn't want to say yes and then, flake.
I appreciate that, honestly.
Yeah, I figured I'd give you a heads up.
That makes sense.
I mean, maybe it'll work out. I just don't want to promise anything.
Totally fair.
Yeah.
We can keep it loose.
Okay. Yeah, that helps.
No pressure, seriously.
Thanks. So, yeah, I was looking at my week and it's just kind of packed.
Yeah, like work stuff or...
Mostly work. And then I promised my sister I'd help her move some things.
Oh, wow, that's a lot for one weekend.
Yeah, I didn't realize it till I wrote it all down.
That always does it.
Right? On paper, it's like, oh.
Yeah, that feeling.
So I'm just trying to be realistic.
Makes sense.
I hate when I say yes and then all day I'm just counting the hours.
Yeah, that's not fun for anyone.
Exactly. I don't want to show up already drained.
I get that, totally.
And I know we said dinner, but even that feels like a lot right now.
That's fair. Dinner can turn into a whole thing.
Yeah, it never stays just dinner.
Nope, it really doesn't.
So I was thinking maybe we don't lock anything in yet.
Okay.
Like, let's see how the week goes.
Yeah, we can do that.
I just didn't want to disappear or anything.
No, I appreciate you saying something.
Yeah, I wasn't sure how to say it without sounding flaky.
You don't sound flaky. You sound tired.
Honestly, yeah.
That's allowed.
Thanks. I needed to hear that.
Of course.
So, maybe we just leave it open?
Yeah, no pressure either way.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Good, that's the goal.
If things calm down, I'll text you.
Sounds good.
And if not, you know.
Yeah, all good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, yeah, I guess that's kind of where I'm at.
Yeah, I get it.
I was worried it might come off weird.
No, honestly, it doesn't.
Okay, good.
I'd rather you say something than just not show up.
Yeah, that would feel worse.
Exactly.
I've done that before, and then I just feel bad all night.
Same, and then you're stressed for no reason.
Right, so I'm trying to be better about that.
It shows.
Thanks, I'm still figuring it out.
Aren't we all?
Yeah, true.
So let's just see how things land.
Yeah, that feels right.
If it works out, cool.
And if not,
No big deal.
okay, I appreciate that.
Of course.
I hate feeling like I owe people explanations.
Yeah, you really don't.
It always feels like you do, though.
I know, but most people aren't keeping score.
That's probably true.
Especially for stuff like this.
Yeah, life just happens.
It really does.
So, yeah, thanks for being chill about it.
Anytime, seriously.
I'll check in later this week.
Sounds good.
And if I don't,
I'll take that as a sign.
yeah, exactly.
No hard feelings.
None.
All right then.
All right,
Get some rest.
I'm gonna try.
Talk later.
Yeah, talk later.